Most people, when it comes to doing any kind of chest movement or back movement, if they have poor posture and their shoulders naturally contracted, they can't engage the chest properly, and then whenever they come to rowing,
that kind of exercise right away is gonna help, and you can feel how actually
do this. Like
yes, right before the upper body especially. So start 2 minutes of mobilization with the ball for across, where you're gonna get into the points directly. Correct the posture. This one doesn't need to be done so long. 2 minutes with us. And this muscle imbalance is causing us the deformation of the shoulder, and then in the same time bringing us the tension and lead to injury. It requires us to pull this right in here on the chest and keeping our elbow up in here. But everything should be in here on our. So those people who has a problem with the elbow in here tension because of over tension of those muscles here, by thanks to this is how we can get more challenging, and you can make this technique a little bit forward, pushing back and go. So you see all of this rotation is giving us a nice component of movement in here for our even spine, our discs, which they become hydrated. You can see that the tightness which was generating the pressure in here on the elbow. So we're not only solving in here the shoulder, but in the same time elbow, working globally. That kind of rotation, this movement is giving us really like hydration, lubrication, so it's bringing us a fluid to the inside to the joint. So more rotation into the shoulder joint is as a compression to the joint. Yes, loosen up the tightness in the same time. So after all of this compression and keeping a rotation, building our stability for the shoulder, giving compression and loosen up the tightness in here. Easy kind of release for the shoulder as a drill, what you can add right before the bench press, for example, to feeling more stable and much more in here capability of movement for the shoulders. And go, so 30 seconds pass, and we go with a full rotation. So we're gonna keep holding the wrist in that position here by the weight, only you making the wrist, the joint weaker. So that's important to build stability for the wrist in the same time. So holding straight in here. Yeah, so then you're gonna feel. So those people who suffer with the pain in here,